I want that Christmas tree up there. Here we go. I'm just waiting on my drinks. You do have Cold Stone. Like I really need that? No, I don't. Look at a Cold Stone. What's up, Cold Stone? Cold Stone ice cream. Oh, this place right here, guys. Grill Master. They have homemade food. Soul food. Check them out. Grill Master Catering. Hello. Oh, we have a postal service here. This is new. Didn't see that before. Then JB Bailey. Oh, wax tint, eyelashes, nail. Okay, I'm gonna have to come check them out. Yes. At the end, cheapo Little Caesars. This is the Western retail. Yeah, so I just got to see what's going on, see what we have. My other food should be ready. I'll be back. Oh, this is the wine shop. Farmers Insurance. Great clips. And a fajita. Let's see if our stuff is... Nope, it's not ready yet. I didn't want to go in because I don't want to get copyright. It's not ready yet. There it is. There we go. We got my favorite, Dunkin' Donuts. Ooh. Oh, wine tasting. Wine by the glass, wine by the bottle. What's up with that? Okay. Wine tasting. Oh. Paints and sips the strobe lights. Drop-in Santa. Okay. Oh, very beautiful. Let's just open the door, check it out. Look at it. Hi. Beautiful. Great, awesome. Well, my food not ready yet, and my drink is not ready yet. I'm quite sure the drinks will be ready first. Oh, I forgot to show you guys. They do have a patio on the side what you can look at.